Havana, the sound of madness.
Since 2016, something strange has happened to diplomats and high-ranking officials in several countries. Without any warning, they experience severe dizziness, headaches, memory loss, and hearing problems. The common factor among all the victims. Before the symptoms began, they heard a strange sound, a buzzing noise, or an invisible pressure inside the head. Later, this phenomenon became known as Havana Syndrome. The US, Canada, and several other countries have officially acknowledged it. But there is still no definitive explanation. Some suggest it might be caused by directed energy or microwave weapons, while others think it's an unknown neurological phenomenon. And the scariest part? Several cases of this phenomenon have been reported even in recent years, and governments have started covering it up to avoid clear answers. For more real-life stories from around the world, follow our channel.